In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use write by voice, that is typing documents with your voice using a particular app. I've been working on this particular book and I have typed so much. Let me show you the pages of the book. Okay, can we see? The book is a little bit voluminous, so trying to type it with the system in this my area where there is no light was somehow, so I decided to use the type by voice method, and it has really gone a long way for me. Can you see? It's handwritten, so I really need to type it to create my ebook. Okay, so which app are you supposed to use? Just go to Play Store straight and download this app. Write by Voice. That's the name of the app. Just go to Play Store, download it, install it on your phone, and you open it. Now, can you see? This is all I have typed with this app concerning the ebook I'm talking about. Can you see how far I have gone? I have typed the whole of this. Now, how do you do it? You just look at what you're about to type. That's to give it paragraph. Teenage boys on the other hand. Now this is me typing, but if I'm to use the voice type, under hand, I'll press. Okay, see, to use voice, you will just click on this place, then you edit it as appropriate. Okay, begin. Then I can stop here to see how far I was able to get what I asked this thing to type for me. Now I need to change this one to capital letter, so I'll just do um little editing, compare it what I have in my notes and what is suggesting for me. A teenage boy begins to notice beautiful girls around him, as if a veil. Can you see? So those are the little things you will. His eyes. So you just edit those little things and your typing will be very fast. Just edit those ones. When you are done editing that part, move on with it, and when you are done, you just copy everything. You can highlight everything, copy, then you take it to Microsoft Word, the app. I have it on my phone, this one. I'm only using this one because I want to use voice for the typing. I can actually type with this one also. So I'll bring it here. Okay, can you see everybody's a teacher? The one I have copied to this place before. So I'll just paste it here, do some editing, and if I'm okay with the editing I have done here, I can leave it. If not, I can transfer it to the laptop, especially because I might want to add table of contents, and with this Word app I can add table of contents. I can do every other thing with this Word app, but I can't use it for I can't put table of contents in my document. So, and that's the major reason I'm going to take it to the laptop for further formatting and editing. If this video has helped you in any way, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe for more tips like this. Thank you. and have a good day.